something that streamlines cooking, reduces the mess. Everything as a unit to the stove side. Every detail has been thought through. Every piece, from the cutting board to the bowls to the tray, was designed from the ground up, bespoke for the chef station. Even the bottom of the containers have been CNC milled to stack perfectly for compact storage or easy transport. The chef station isn't just for prep, it's built for the full experience. Prepping, cooking, serving, and sharing. Whether it's a quiet breakfast or a dinner party with friends, the chef station is ready for any occasion. After a year and a half of designing, refining, and testing, we're proud to bring the chef station into your kitchen. But launching a product like this takes more than a great idea. Custom tooling for our steel and silicone parts and meeting minimum order quantities requires your support. Back this campaign and help us bring the chef station to life and experience cooking the way it's meant to be. Cleaner, simpler, and more enjoyable.